try and film and talk through this quickly because you can probably, I'll show you, my laptop is nearly dying. So I have just started using Notion and it is very fresh. I will leave videos below that I use to kind of help me come up with this. I have taken templates from people and then I've also altered it and taken inspiration. So I'm just going to talk you very quickly through this and how I'm hoping this is going to help me do my 2023 reset. I just made this cover here on Canva. Everyone knows and loves Canva, but if you need any help, just give me a message. So my homepage, I've customized this. I'm not sure if it's perfect, it probably will change, but on daily I've got planner and content planner. Over on the other side on personal, I've got yearly goals, meal plan and shopping, which I will all go through. And then this here is my project tracker, which is taken from my content planner page. And this is hopefully the videos that I'll be putting out and the order that they're put in. I'm already running behind on this video, as you can see, because this video was supposed to go out today. It is currently 5:10 in the evening and I was supposed to upload this at 3. But we're going to try and get this edited and up tonight, so you'll know if that happens. So I'll just start here. You've obviously got your side pages down here. You can unlock that to make this bigger, but for the sake of this, I'm going to lock this here. You can probably hear my laptop dying, apologies. So I'm going to open my planner. Again, I've very quickly done this and I have obviously not touched this in a few days because it is now Monday and I've clearly not touched this since Thursday, so I'll have to fix all this. But I'll just go over it quickly. This planner was a template that I downloaded from someone, and it's got quick ticks, must-dos, projects and personal. I don't know if this works for me right now. Sorry, I don't know if this is going to work for me, but I'm going to use it right now and kind of see how I get on with it. And then obviously you've got the weekly Monday to Friday to-dos. I don't mind that this doesn't have a Saturday and a Sunday because I kind of feel like they're my days off, but then also they're not, so I might need to change that. I've got a general down here. Basically with the general one, I sometimes have a lot on my mind and a lot of kind of, I want to do this but don't know when. So this is my general to-do dump that I can put throughout the week if I want to. Then a monthly calendar with absolutely nothing on it. But that's fine because when we go into my content planner, this is where the project tracker is from. And I've got my YouTube, my Instagram, my TikTok linked there. These are also linked below if you want to check them out. And then, as I say, my project tracker here, great for YouTube. I can kind of go in here and I'd open these up and I can say what I want, what I need to do with this. I'd already planned this one, so I don't have much information for this. But it's hopefully going to mean that the new year means that I will be able to upload more consistently, plan my videos better, basically overall be better on YouTube because I've not been great this year. And then these are my ideas. Hopefully all these go out. I want to do more lifestyle videos and more styling videos, so I'm trying to, the hauls will still be there, but they, you know, we're trying to save money. Songs I've used, I don't even know if I will keep this, but at some point it might be handy, so I'm leaving it just now. This shouldn't be here, but I'll fix that later. Next, yearly goals. Now, I'm not actually gonna show you that. I'm gonna quickly move on to another screen recording of me adding my yearly goals because I actually found this new tracker up here to edit my yearly goals. So you'll get a quick montage of me filling that out and then you'll be back with me for the meal plan. Okay, so that was my yearly goal tracker. Now moving on to the meal plan. Again, I've done a really good job at this. I have actually got a meal plan for the week, but I have written it down on paper rather than using this. So as I say, I really am just starting with this. But I want to keep it really simple. You know, Monday through Sunday, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm not too worried about snacks. And I also added this quote here, life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Meals I like, this is just to inspire me for when I don't know what to make. And then obviously the shopping list will come from whatever I meal plan. And I've done that on Sunday, so this is useless. Now obviously I have a shopping list here, but I do have one. Again, I downloaded this template, so I'm going to work with it for a little bit and then see what I want to edit myself. I quite like the idea of having store 1, store 2 and store 3 because I do quite often go to more than one store, just because I'll go to somewhere like Lidl's or Aldi and they don't have everything that I want, so I will have to go to a different shop after that. Personal, I've not used this section yet, but we'll wait and see what happens with that. Wish list, at the minute I use the most. So this is the things I want to save up for. As you can see here, some are a bit more expensive than others. A monitor stand, it's just something I want but I begrudge buying myself, so I put it in my wish list. I don't know if anyone's heard about the new shark wrap, but I want to try that out. And as I say, you can kind of see what's in my wish list. I do edit this when I get inspired by something, because it also means that if I wait a month, then at least I'll know if I do actually want it or if I'm just being greedy. So that was a very quick run of my homepage for Notion. As I say, I've only just started using this as a planner, but we've got to start somewhere. I obviously do prefer paper and pen, but having everything on one digital platform will make my life a lot easier, because if I don't have, I'm more likely to have my phone or my laptop with me than I am to have my planner with me, because they're always with me. So this will give you an idea. If you, as I say, I will put links down below on any videos that I did find helpful, and as I say, you can download templates, which is a very good starting point, but there was one video in particular that helped me, so I will link that below and you can have a look at that. So one part of my 2020, the reset, and what will be in my goals is to get better with my fitness. So a big thank you to Protein World for sponsoring this part of the video. As you can see, I'm getting myself some pre-workout in the summer berries flavour. I've actually never used pre-workout before, but sometimes at the gym I am absolutely lacking in energy. So I thought I'd get my hands on this and try it out. And you'll see in a minute, I'm also going to get myself some multivitamin supplements, because that's one thing I am definitely bad at taking, and the ones I had before are out of date, so I took this opportunity to get myself some more. Now you'll see on the screen later, but I do actually have a discount code for Protein World, and it is PWKaren. It'll pop on the screen now, but you will also see me use that at checkout for a 40% off. So as you can see, they do have a wide variety of products. I've got the chocolate porridge up there, and then I also have their protein bars. One thing that has been recommended to me as well are the mug cakes, so I'm definitely going to be trying them out on my next purchase.